Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the night package, which is going to give you a blacked out exterior trim. Also the exterior sports package, which is going to give you the AMG front and rear style. 20-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A ginger beige MB-Tex interior. Pano sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, an anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 28,788 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmanimports.com.